big neck cups sweat cuts better.
Aren't you carrying this humor Ebenezer routine to fit far?
Isn't the table lovely? That's odd. Where's the candlestick?
I wonder where Ebenezer went.
Here, there, everywhere.
That's comforting.
Here we are. All of us outdone ourselves. Look, dear, the bride and groom standing on top.
Might as well be studying a gallows.
You'll feel better after. Nice hot cup of tea. China or oolong. I don't care. We'll surprise you.
Nothing. Surprising.
Good evening, miss. I take it you're the lady of the house? Or are you just a guest at the inn? Doesn't matter. Charming place. Charming. My card. Keep it. This is indeed your lucky day. You've been selected as one of our regional winners. This entitles you to a free gift. You can choose either the Lady Cincinnati Turtle Oil or the Lady Cincinnati Herbal Shampoo. Which will it be? I can recommend them both. Myself, I give the edge to the turtle oil. Maybe that's because I like turtles more than I like herbs. Humor never hurts.
What?
Which will it be, turtle oil or shampoo?
Smiling South Beauty Gal. Lady Cincinnati Beauty Products. Discount on commodities. Who are you? What do you want? How did you get here?
Like my business card says, I'm Smiling Sal the Beauty Gal. I got into the door. It was open. I knocked, but I guess you didn't hear me. Many people staying here.
But the storm.
Oh, bad weather doesn't throw me. I'm like the postal service. Oh, I can also recommend this little item. Honey lotion. Cream rich and scented with a light, fresh fragrance. 2-week delivery.
I don't believe you.
I wouldn't lie about a Lady Cincinnati product. I've been representing Lady Cincinnati for 2 years, and I stand by her reputation. Satisfaction guaranteed or your money back. I can also recommend this. Softens, soothes, moisturizes, and protects dry and peeling skin. It's provocative without being rude. Say, lady, am I making you nervous or something? Tell you what, why don't you call in some of the ladies staying here at the inn, and I'll give a demonstration of Lady Cincinnati's fine beauty products. I'll see that each one of you gets a $4 value.
More to you.
Okay, if you don't want to buy, you don't want to buy. No need to make a federal case out of it. Ed! Who is this Ed you keep calling? Oh, is that Ed? Ed! You leave that girl alone. What are you doing? Easy now, friend. I'm in trouble. Keep away. I mean, if she's a friend of yours, that's fine by me. Oh! You cracked it! You behave, understand? I've got a gun. If you're looking for trouble, you'll get it.
What a shame about the automobile. The mud's clear up to the roof. You can barely see the windows.
He's coming around.
He had quite a night. He looks haggard and sad. Poor Ebenezer.
Poor Ebenezer! Did you see what he did to me? It's a wonder I'm still breathing. This guy's got a grip like a pit bull.
When he comes around, he'll apologize.
I don't want an apology. This guy ought to be kept in a cage. A cage with no lock and no key, and a diet that doesn't include red meat.
Where'd you get that gun?
Same place the hand case come from. That cop, Dawson.
Handcuffs? Gun? He sure does come well equipped for emergency.
Ebenezer is definitely an emergency.
I put out some coffee. I think we could all do with a cup. No sugar, no milk, no cream. We're all out.
Black will be fine.
At least it'll be hot.
They're coming in.
Would you say your name was?
Smiling Sal, the beauty gal. I'm not smiling anymore. Did you notice? One night here turned me into Sour Sal, the strangle gal.
We couldn't budget. Yeah, I'm gonna go down the road and see if my car made it to the night.
I left mine on the bridge. It's a covered bridge, so maybe I'm in good shape.
Unless the bridge gave way. It's happened.
More than once.
Takes them weeks to repair it.